Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the T-fal brand, their AirBake natural cookie sheet. It's 16 inches by 14 inches. Has air insulation, prevents top sheet from overheating, which prevents burning. I'm going to show you how that works. It's microdome technology. It decreases bake time by up to 15%, and it prevents things from burning, which is great. This is all 100% aluminum. There's no rust to worry about, and this company offers an amazing, no questions asked, 10-year warranty. So let's take a look at this. The reason why this looks kind of beaten up and used is because we've had this for about 18 years. This thing really works well. You can see it's seasoned really well from us using it. Those are those little dimples that they put in there, and that causes the heat to concentrate on those little areas, and that transfers to the top. Now you notice it's got some thickness to it. There is where the air gap is. The gap is between this area right here and that top sheet, and then these conduct the heat. And it is all aluminum. After you wash this to clean it, I wouldn't soak it in water. I would just wipe it down because you want to avoid getting water inside there. There is a really tight seam all along here, but if you were to soak this in water, that would penetrate that. So I would just wipe it down and then put it in the oven to dry it after you shut your oven off, after you bake whatever you're baking. I love this product. We have two of them, and we've made so many things with them, cookies, and we make amazing bagels with these and bialys also. And what I'm going to be showing you is we're going to be making a wreath-shaped babka, a chocolate babka. And this works perfect for something like that because it doesn't burn, yet it cooks really fast. So because it's the holidays, we made it a wreath shape, or my wife did. And this has got the delicious crumb topping on there. And you can see it's right on the AirBake pan, and now we're going to be baking it and showing you how it comes out. So this pan did a beautiful job cooking this babka. So as I demonstrated, this is an amazing product. What do I think about the T-fal, their AirBake natural cookie sheet, 16 by 14. This thing, once you buy it, it's going to last forever. It's a great investment with those little pockets in there. This thing heats up fast because it's aluminum and it doesn't burn. Very versatile product, very clever, and you're going to want to get one or two for your baking needs. I'm going to give this product full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.